Hey, what's up? If you are running Amazon PPC right now and you are not running these 5 campaign types, I can almost guarantee you are leaving serious money on the table. I'm Memuna Iqbal. I run Brevlin. We manage PPC for over 800 Amazon brands. And today I'm going to walk you through the exact 5 campaign structures that are working right now in 2026. These are not theory. These are the campaigns we are actively running every single day for 7, 8, and 9 figure brands. Let's get into it. Before I show you what these campaigns are, I want to give you a bit of framing. The Amazon advertising landscape has changed a lot over the last few years. We have new placements, we have more competition, and we have smarter buyers. The sellers who are winning are not the ones who set up the most campaigns. They are the ones who set up the right campaigns with the right targeting and the right structure. That is exactly what I am going to show you today. Here is what we are covering. I'm going to walk you through 5 specific campaign types, and for each one, I will show you exactly where to build it inside Seller Central, what targeting to use, and why it actually works. Stick to the end because campaign number 5 is the one almost nobody is talking about, and it might be the most profitable thing you add to your account this year. Here is the thing I see over and over again when we audit new accounts. Sellers are running the same 3 campaign types, usually an auto campaign, a broad manual, and an exact match campaign. And they are wondering why their ACOS is high or why they are not scaling. It is because those 3 campaigns alone are not enough anymore. The algorithm has gotten more sophisticated, buyers browse differently, and the advertising console has evolved to give you way more powerful tools that most people just are not using. The good news, most of your competitors are also not using these. So if you implement even 2 or 3 of the campaigns I am about to show you will immediately have a structural advantage. You will be able to defend your listing, steal traffic from competitors, and re-engage buyers who didn't convert the first time. Let me show you exactly how to do that. So, alright, campaign number 1. This is the campaign that a lot of people already have, but most people have it set up wrong. I'm talking about the auto campaign, specifically the keyword harvesting auto campaign. Let me show you exactly how we structure it. So, here we are inside Campaign Manager. I'm going to click Create Campaign and select Sponsored Products. Now the key here is targeting type. I'm going to select Automatic, but this is where most people stop. They just leave all 4 targeting groups on, set a flat bid, and walk away. That's not how we do it. Actually split each of the 4 auto-targeting groups into separate campaigns. Or at minimum, we set individual bids for close match, loose match, substitutes, and complements. This lets you control spend by targeting type. Close match gets the highest bid because it's the most relevant. Complements gets the lowest. This simple adjustment alone can reduce your ACOS by 10 to 15%. Auto campaign is your data machine. Its job is not necessarily to be your biggest revenue driver. Its job is to find keywords that convert for your product that you don't already know about. Once a keyword shows consistent sales inside this auto campaign, you harvest it, pull it out, add it as an exact match keyword in a separate manual campaign with a higher bid. That is the flywheel. Auto feeds manual. Manual scales profitably. We will talk more about that in campaign 2. Campaign number 2 is what I call the ranking campaign. This is a manual sponsored products campaign using exact match keywords, and its primary goal is organic rank. When a keyword converts consistently through PPC, Amazon's algorithm takes note and begins boosting your organic position for that term. PPC and organic work actually together, and this campaign is the bridge between the 2 campaigns. Here is what an exact match ranking campaign looks like inside the Seller Central. You can see what we have got: one ad group per tightly themed keyword cluster. We are not stuffing 50 keywords into one ad group. That's a huge mistake because you cannot isolate performance. Each ad group has 5 to 10 tightly related exact match keywords. Bids are set individually based on the keyword's conversion rate and the competition for that term. One more critical thing. You want to add negative exact match keywords from your auto campaign here. If a keyword is converting through auto but not converting well, you can promote it manually. It goes on the negative list. This keeps your exact match campaigns clean and protects your budget. Here is the thing people actually miss. When your exact match campaign drives consistent daily sales on a keyword, your organic rank climbs, and organic clicks are totally free. So the return on investment compounds over time. We have clients who invested heavily in PPC for a launch, hit page 1 organically within 60 days, then scaled back ad spend while the organic traffic kept converting. That's the power of this campaign done right. Campaign number 3 is where things get really interesting. This is the competitor product targeting campaign. And this is your offensive weapon. Instead of targeting keywords, we are targeting specific competitor agents directly. When a buyer is looking at a competitor's product page, your ad shows up. That is incredibly powerful because you are catching buyers at maximum buying intent and pulling them toward your listing. So here we are creating a new sponsored products campaign. Manual targeting, and this time instead of keyword targeting, we are selecting actually product targeting. Then we choose individual products. Now I am going to search for competitor agents. There are a few ways to identify which competitors to target. You can use your own search term report to see which agents are showing up on searches you are already converting on. Or you can use a tool like Helium 10 to pull competitor agents in your category. To have your competitor agent list, enter them one by one or in bulk. Set a competitive bid. You will typically need to bid higher than you would on keywords because the placement is valuable. We usually start between $0.80 and $1.50 in between of that, depending on the category, and test from there. A few pro tips for this campaign. First, target competitors with weak reviews or pricing issues. Buyers who land on a listing with 3.2 stars and see your ad with 4.7 stars are very likely to click. Second, protect yourself too. Run a defensive product targeting campaign that targets your own agents. This pushes your own sponsored product onto your listing and crowds out competitors who are targeting you. I will cover defensive campaigns more in campaign 5. For now, let's keep moving. Campaign 4 is one that is massively underutilized, especially by smaller brands, and that's a sponsored brand video campaign. If you are brand registered on Amazon, you have access to this ad format. And the reason I love it simple, it shows up in search results as a short video. It auto-plays in the feed and it has some of the highest click-through rates of any ad format on Amazon right now. Video stops the scroll, text doesn't. Inside Campaign Manager, click Create Campaign and select Sponsored Brands. Then choose Video as the ad format. You will be prompted to upload your video. Amazon has specific specs here. The video needs to be between 6 and 45 seconds. It needs to be at minimum 1280 by 720 resolution, and it should ideally be in MP4 or MOV format. The most important thing about the video itself, show the product in use within the first 3 seconds. No logo intros, no slow fades. For targeting, I recommend using keyword targeting campaign, specifically exact and phrase match on your top converting search terms. This video ad will appear in the middle of the search results page for those keywords. The combination of video format plus high intent keyword targeting is extremely powerful. We typically see this format deliver 20 to 30% lower ACoS than equivalent static ads on the same keywords. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Chris, I don't have a video. You don't need a professional videographer for this. Some of our best performing sponsored brand videos were shot on an iPhone. The format rewards authenticity. Show the product solving a problem. Show it being unboxed. Show a before and after. Keep it under 20 seconds for the best completion rate. Test 2 or 3 versions and let the data tell you what to scale. Here we are, campaign number 5. This is the one I teased at the beginning. I call it the retargeting net. Most sellers are running ads to cold traffic. People who have never seen their product before, but what about the people who visited your listing, added to cart and didn't buy? Those people are the hottest possible leads. Sponsored display retargeting puts your ads in front of those buyers again, off Amazon, on third-party websites, applications, and on Amazon itself. This campaign is your second chance at the sale. Let's build it together. Click Create Campaign, choose Sponsored Display. Now in the targeting section, this is where it gets powerful. You want to select audiences, not context. Under audiences, you will see a few options: views remarketing and purchases remarketing. Let me show you both. Remarketing targets people who viewed your product detail page but didn't purchase in the last 7, 14 or 30 days. You can pick the look back window. We typically use 14 days as our starting point, long enough to build a meaningful audience, short enough that the intent is still warm. Purchases remarketing goes after people who already bought from you. This is amazing for consumable products, bundled upsells, or if you have a product line. Thing I love about sponsored display is that Amazon auto generates the creative from your listing. It pulls your product image, your star rating, your price, your Prime badge. You don't have to build an ad. You just set the targeting, set the bid, set budget, and launch. This makes it genuinely one of the easiest. Let me tie this all together. Campaign 1, auto harvesting campaign, is finding new keywords and feeding your manual campaigns. Campaign 2, the exact match ranking campaign, is driving organic rank and profitable direct sales. Campaign 3, the competitor product targeting campaign, is stealing traffic from your competitors at the moment of buying intent. Campaign 4, sponsored brands video campaign, is building brand awareness and stopping the scroll at the top of search. And last, Campaign 5, sponsored display retargeting campaign, is making sure you recapture every buyer who slipped through the net. These 5 campaigns work together as a complete system. And when you have all 5 running, your account becomes nearly self-reinforcing. Let's do a quick recap. The 5 campaigns we covered today are auto keyword harvesting campaign, your data machine; the exact match ranking campaign, your organic rank accelerator; the competitor product targeting campaign, your offensive weapon; the sponsored brands video campaign, your scroll stopper; and sponsored display retargeting campaign, your second chance sales net. Together, these 5 form a complete PPC system. Now, I want to be honest with you. Setting all 5 of these up correctly, managing bids, harvesting keywords, optimizing creative, it takes time and it takes expertise. That's why I put together the Amazon PPC cheat sheet. It gives you a step-by-step breakdown of how to set up each of these campaigns, what bids to start, what metrics to watch, and when to scale or cut. The link to download it for free is in the description below. Grab it before you go. And if you are at a point where you want expert hands managing your PPC, whether you are doing 6, 7, or 8 figures, my team at Brevlin handles all of these for serious Amazon brands. We are not the right fit for everyone, but if you are ready to scale profitably and you want a team that actually knows what they are doing, there is a link in the description to apply. We will have a strategy call together, look at your account, and tell you honestly whether we can help you or not. If you got value from this video, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this content reach more Amazon sellers who need it. Subscribe to the channel because every week I am dropping deep dive PPC content like this, based on real data from real accounts. And drop a comment below. Tell me which of these 5 campaigns you are going to implement first. I read every comment personally and I will reply. I will see you in the next video. Let's grow together.